So next trick, pretty easy. Okay, so what you're going to do is these get set up and they still pop up. They don't pop up nearly as much as they once did, but they're saying some number. Let's talk really fast about what a factorial is. If I have like 4 factorial, that just means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's what that means. Okay, so 6 factorial would be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? All right, so they're asking you, what you want to do is, they're going to say 5 factorial plus something is equal to some number times 4 factorial. This is the key. What you're going to do is you're going to take each part and you're going to divide it by 4 factorial. Okay? You're going to divide each part by 4 factorial. Now, 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial, here's the way I want you to think of this is, right? This is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Or another way of saying that is 5 times 4 factorial. And 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now notice that these will cancel. Or if I had left it like this, I would have had 5 times 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. So these cancel, you're left with 5, right? So 5 factorial over 4 factorial is 5. So in our brains, we're going to write 5 plus, and then we're going to do this. What is 3 times 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial? Well, the 4 factorials cancel, so you're left with 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So K is 8. 8 times 4 factorial is the same as this. All right, that is confusing. I know I said a lot of talking there, but let me dumb it down for us. You ready? Okay, what are you going to do? You're going to look at what they want. They wanted you to make it 4 factorial. So they want you to divide 5 factorial by 4 factorial. 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial is the same as 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial. So these cancel, you're left with 5. So 5 plus. Then you're going to do 3 times 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. These cancel, you're left with 3. 5 plus 3 is 8, so K is 8. Again, we want to divide it by 5 factorial, right? So we're going to do 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial. The way I like to think of this is 7 times 6 times 5 factorial, so that I can cancel the 5 factorial. So I'm left with 42. 42, this is minus, so it's going to be minus. Then we're going to do 2 times 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial. Well, those cancel, you're left with 2. So 42 minus 2 is 40. So K is 40.